Hey, what is up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another unboxing. But before we get into it, please, if you like knife content, consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a like. Everything in this video will be linked down in the description down below. There are affiliate links down there as well, but it is totally up to you to use them. What do we got here? Finally got one of these. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. This is the Boker Kalashnikov. All right. Model popped up that I wanted to get, so I finally picked one up. We got an AK Mag box, cardboard, I think. Cool. That's cool. Got this is a Blade HQ exclusive. Came with both the safety tabs already cut. So we'll see what oh, that's pretty nothing to it. All right, we got some salt packet and some foam or whatever. Cool. Set that aside. Don't want that anywhere. Hey, where's my sticker? Here's my sticker. Boom. So check this out. All right. So this one is the Mace Windu, the Saber. Sweet. Had to get it. What? Mace Windu? Yes. Oh, out the side, automatic. What does it say on the pivot there? I've never owned a Boker. I kind of had something built in my brain how this is going to be, and it, whatever. But I really want a nice Boker for my collection. This one's going in more of a fun reason. Yeah. Aluminum scales, steel pocket clip, which just looks very, yeah, it's kind of tight and awkward. We've got these gold accents. Oh, this is numbered 130. I mean, there's not much to it, right? Let's see how it fires. All right, let's see how it fires. Let's see. Let's get another one in here. Focus. I mean, it locks up. No blade play. Yeah, I got it now. I got it pretty. But yeah. It's a pretty weak fire. Oh, yeah. And I mean, it's not the strongest spring. Yeah. Which is kind of what I expected. I mean, this is a $80 knife. $80 automatic knife. I bought it because it looked cool, and you know, it's purple blade. What is it? D2 steel? Yeah, D2 steel, purple coated D2 steel. Billboard, and we got Boker, we got name. I don't know what 74 is. Looks like it's numbered 130 D2. We got some jimping on the back here, jimping on the butt. I mean, it feels good in the hand. Full 4-finger grip. Not really much to choke up on. You could, but then it kind of feels weird. Got a little rock in there. Up, down. And just blade centering is a little off as well. I know it cuts. Give me something small to cut here. whatever. It cuts fine. It could definitely, it's not that sharp, but it cuts paper just fine. Could definitely use a spruce behind the edge. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't have high expectations. I've always wanted to just have one of these in the collection. Uh, I mean, for under $100, automatic, not terrible. And this is just the first impression. I think it looks cool. I think this is what it's got going for it. Is it looks cool. Set that over there. No idea what this rounds on that. I'm guessing. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe bearings. I don't know what these run on, if there's phosphor browns, but this is just an unboxing, first impressions. I'll know more before the review. Just need some time to carry it. Yeah, purple. I guess I got distracted, but we got a D2 drop point blade. Nothing too exciting. Looks cool. Mace Windu represent. Yeah, if you're still watching, please subscribe. Consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a like. Tell me your thoughts on the Boker Kalashnikov. Tell me if you got them. I know some people collect them. People go wild over these things. They come in all sorts of shapes and colors and food items, and cool. Now I got one. Not upset about it. It's kind of exactly how I expected it to be. No milling. Yeah. Oh gosh. That's what I got. Where's my mouse? There it is. Please, if you haven't already, like, subscribe to the channel. And also, you can find me over at Instagram at Rick's Knives, where there's lots of pictures of knives. I will be adding this to that picture I don't know, the gallery. We'll call it that. Whatever. Gotta go. Hope we all have a good rest of your day.